Since 2009, I've worked here at the labs at Penn State, which is one of the great things about going to school here, in that I've been able to do cutting-edge research while still an undergrad. I work my field and is material science and engineering, and one of the up-and-coming technologies is rapid prototyping, that I can take powdered metal and turn it into a 3D object using this machine that I work on here. And it's really, really cool technology in that I can draw something up in a 3D drafting program and later that day be holding it in my hand. The machine will take that file and it will cut it into layers and it will build up the part that I want layer by layer and to create a fully dense structure. And the short turnaround time, when it comes to something like spacecraft design, typically you take one big hunk of metal and then you shave down all of the metal until you have the part that you want, and it produces a lot of waste. With our process, any of the powdered metal that you don't use, there's most of it then you can recover and use again, so that it's a much less expensive, much more faster, and it can be more environmentally friendly option to build components out of. Also, we have the capability to add on to a part. So if someone specs a part and we make something, and someone says, "Oh well, we need another spot there to attach a bolt to," we can just go on with the process and just add something right away in a very short amount of period of time. Where in other industries, they'd have to throw away the entire thing and start over again. And so with the project, we're going to do a couple fun things that we hope to do. One of them is making a replica of the Lunar Lion shrine statue, and we want to actually take this statue and send it to the moon along with our lander. And so Penn State will have the Lunar Lion on the moon, for a very long time. Another very important thing for the mission is I hope to make a replica of our craft that we're sending to the moon, and that'll allow us to plan out the mission more effectively. And when we have something that we can orientate and say, okay, this side is facing the sun this time, this side's going to be dark. And so a lot of the crucial aspects of that and managing all of the challenges that you have in a space environment, that's something simple that it would seemingly simple, but it's actually very important to the mission. In other missions, they take a styrofoam cup and they just poke pencils in it, and that's the model that they're using. It's very rough, and there can be some things that you miss with that. So, hopefully, this technology can even be used at this current stage to really have a positive impact on the project and help it go along.